Welcome to Home Decorating Ideas. Today, we are diving deep into the world of wardrobe design for bedroom, where functionality meets style and organization reign supreme. Whether you are working with a small space or a luxurious master suite, I have got a treasure trove of ideas to help you maximize storage and elevate the aesthetic of your bedroom. Let's start our exploration with the versatility of built-in wardrobes. Built-in wardrobes are a fantastic solution for maximizing storage in small bedrooms or awkward spaces. Custom designed to fit your specific needs and dimensions. Built-in wardrobes seamlessly blend into the design of your room, creating a sleek and compatible look. Consider incorporating sliding doors for a space-saving solution, or mirror panels to add depth and visual spaciousness to your bedroom. Now, let's talk about the magic of walk-in closets. Walk-in closets are a dream come true for those who love to organize and display their wardrobes in style. Whether it's a compact walk-in closet or a luxurious dressing room, the key is to maximize storage and create a functional layout. Consider incorporating built-in shelves, drawers, and hanging rods to hold your clothes, shoes, and accessories. Add a stylish vanity or dressing table for getting ready in style. And don't forget to enhance the ambience with lighting fixtures and decorative accents. Speaking of organization, let's explore the versatility of modular wardrobes. Modular wardrobes are a flexible and customizable solution that allows you to mix and match different components to create a wardrobe system that meets your specific needs. Whether it's adjustable shelves, hanging rods, or drawers, modular wardrobes offers endless possibilities for organizing your clothing and accessories. Plus, they can be easily reconfigured or expanded as your storage needs change over time. Moving on to the trend of open wardrobes. Open wardrobes are a stylish and modern alternative or traditional closed closets, allowing you to showcase your clothing and accessories like pieces of art. Whether it's a freestanding clothing rack or a wall mounting shelving unit, open wardrobes create a sense of openness and airiness in your bedroom while making it easy to access and organize your wardrobe. Consider incorporating baskets, bins, or decorative boxes to keep smaller items organized and visually appealing. Now, let's explore the trend of multifunctional wardrobes. Multifunctional wardrobes are a smart solution for maximizing storage in small bedrooms or multi-purpose spaces. Consider incorporating features like built-in desks, dressing tables, or even hidden compartments for storing valuables. Multifunctional wardrobes not only save space but also add convenience and versatility to your bedroom. As we continue our journey through these wardrobe design ideas, remember that the key is to create a space that is both functional and stylish. Whether you are drawn to built-in wardrobes, walk-in closets, modular designs, wardrobe finishes, open wardrobes, lighting solutions, mirrored wardrobes, or multifunctional designs. There's a wardrobe waiting to elevate your bedroom. Don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe for more design inspiration, and share your thoughts in the comments below. Thank you for joining me on this exploration, and until next time, happy designing. Please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.